Hi, welcome to Healthy Fun Works. Today I'm going to be making a facial spunk recipe. So what this is going to do is help put that beautiful glow back into your skin. This is the little pink bottle that you got from Young Living with a 300 auto ship order. So I'm going to use 8 drops of lavender essential oil, Dr. Minke. I don't know if anybody ever watches Dr. Minke, M-I-N-K-E, Dr. Minke Wellness. He tells you to use at least 1 drop of lavender and 1 drop of frankincense daily on your face. I'm going to use 5 drops of frankincense. This is the Boswellia frankincense. And I'm going to use 2 drops of the Bloom essential oil, which I've actually never put into a facial serum recipe before. It smells incredible. It has vetiver, davana, blue cypress, and royal Hawaiian sandalwood. Everybody knows royal Hawaiian sandalwood is amazing for your skin. And then you just need 1 or 2 drops of vitamin E oil. And then you're just going to top the rest of it with the V6 carrier oil. So a carrier oil is a non-essential oil, and it can really help just spread out the oil all over your face. My friend made a facial serum for me that was in a bigger bottle with more oil in it, and I just wanted to make a smaller one in this pretty pink bottle that came for free with my order. So what I do with this facial serum is, it has a little dropper that goes inside of there. Shake it up real good. I like to use the gua sha stone. Some of you have watched my gua sha stone video. So gua sha stone is really, really good. It is a jade gua sha stone, and I will take a little squirt of this facial serum and just put it on my face. Kind of want it to be nice and oily consistency. It smells incredible. If you wanted to just use it under your makeup or at the end of the day or at the beginning of the day, you could do that too. But I like to kind of put it on a little bit heavy because I'm going to do the gua sha stone, and I literally spend about 1 minute doing the gua sha stone daily because it really helps if you guys have puffy eyes or any kind of puffiness in your face. It's also really good just for getting everything flowing. So you take it at an angle to your face, and you're going to go, it has sort of an angle right there, you're going to go underneath your cheekbone for that puffiness, and you're going to just kind of pull it to the side and wiggle it when you get to the side. And I will do that daily. Just do the other side the same exact way, 3 times each. Everything you're going to do is 3 times each. And then I go on the top of my eyelid, very gently on the top of your eyelid, and the other side. Then I will use that other little portion that's a little bit tighter and just go right here in between my eyebrows 3 times. And I'll use the top part to go up the middle of my forehead. And then I just kind of like use it overall the whole face. And then I do my cheeks. So this is something I pretty much do every morning. If I forget to do it in the morning, which is rare, I will do it at night before bed. I really notice that it helps your face not have that puffy look to it if you've eaten things that have salt in it. I usually just use sea salt, but once in a while I will eat something out. And then this of course helps with the lymph drainage. You always want to pull downward to your neck so that sort of all that junk will go into this little area right here. So that is it. That's basically how I use the gua sha stone, how I will use this facial serum. This smells amazing. You guys have ever smelled the frankincense and lavender mixed together? It's really, really soothing for the skin. If you don't want to use the gua sha stone with it, just put a couple drops on your face before bed and rub it in. And then after I do the gua sha stone, I just kind of rub the oil in. And I know all of you guys who work on faces say don't rub, always pat, but I'm just one of those people who doesn't obey all the rules. So anyways, thanks. Hope you guys have a great weekend. See ya.